Hello viewers and subscribers, this is Igbo Television. Today we are going to be showing you what we promised you about the slaughter market, and this is the place right now. They have demolished and fenced it off. We are going to be taking you inside to show you what the government has done here in getting sanity in this area. This is the slaughter market we used to know before, and government is trying to restore sanity in this area. This is the Trans Amadi road leading to slaughter and garrison is also a link, better link. This is the slaughter market that you used to know before now, and government is doing things to fix the place up. The entire structure here has been demolished. As you can see, this is the entire premises. It has been demolished completely. And let's take you down so you see some road works being done to get a decent neighborhood out of this place. Can you see that? This is what Governor Wike of Rivers State is doing in getting this place to be a decent place. Yeah. To see what this place now looks like. That's slaughter market used to know. It is now undergoing total reconstruction. Total reconstruction. I think this is going to be very good development that will be coming up here soon. It's going to be very good development coming up here. Subscribers, the demolition of this market had brought a lot of sanity to this place. As you can see, the entire place is now calm and peaceful. It used to be very rowdy, but this market that was demolished here restored sanity in this place, and the government has taken it upon itself to fix the area and make it a better place for people around here. There is level of sanity and security. As you can see, this is the situation we have right now at slaughter market in Port Harcourt, Rivers State. This is precisely slaughter area of Trans Amadi in Port Harcourt, Rivers State. Thank you for viewing. Subscribe now and click on that notification button as we are coming forward with more updates, more interesting contents that may interest you as you watch. Thank you for viewing.